Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add gallery in WooCommerce site. So simply first of all you have to click on appearance and then click on edit. So simply after that when you click on edit you have to wait for a few seconds. Our site is being uploaded. So finally here you can see our site is finally uploaded. So now if you want to add a gallery you have to click on this plus button. So simply just click here and after that here you will find the gallery option. Just you have to search in the left tabs gallery and after that just select the gallery that you want to add in your site. So these are galleries are available. Simply just drag this gallery and just paste it here. So now here you can see we have successfully added gallery. So here you can added a new photo, like you can upload pictures here. So simply this gallery is finally uploaded. Just click on this button and here you can click on upload and after that select any photo here and upload from your storage device. So in this way you can easily add gallery in WooCommerce site.